Hey there everyone, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I wanted to walk through this new Python script that I wrote to help bulk check a keyword list to understand if this new AI overview feature is present within your keyword landscape. So, dialing back about 2 weeks ago, Google started rolling out this new AI overviews feature, or SGE, to United States users for anyone who had signed into a Google account. And it basically is pretty significant in that it changes the landscape as far as potential click-through rate for what is considered traditional blue link results. So anything below the fold for featured snippets, these blue links. So providing the summarized information for users as well as citations for how they found this information based on their large language models training set, and then additional expansion for this information. So I haven't found a lot of keyword research tools that currently track the positioning for AI overviews and really demonstrate out of the box current state how your keyword list is kind of stacking up. So ended up creating this script as a stopgap solution, waiting for these other tools to launch their own features and solutions surrounding AI overview. But basically wanted to see, based on this rollout, how my landscape has transitioned or changed, how prevalent AI overview is being populated for my keyword data set or list, and being able to just make some inferences like, is it present for informational keywords, transactional consideration? What does this kind of cascade look like? So what this script does is it first has you sign into your Google account and then saves that authentication state to then iterate through your keyword list to then identify if the AI overview result is present or not. One caveat I will make is it may get your Google account locked down. So I just made a dummy account for my Google account because it's technically against Google's guidelines to scrape information this way. But I also have it set to where it has a slowed check. So it takes anywhere from like 1 to 10 seconds to evaluate per keyword. So you're not just spamming the search results and scraping a bunch of information within 5 seconds. So having said that, giving that kind of quick warning, first you'll run the script, and I might as well pause and preface that all this code can be found within my GitHub repository. So I'll link to this repository to have anyone who's interested grab the code. You just need the SERP analyzer and then the login credentials scripts to run this. But first, going back to the script, you'll sign into your Google authentication. So you run it, and then it'll open up a browser, headless Chrome browser, and then you'll sign into your account. And enter your password. Then it'll close, saving the authentication state. And then from there, you'll basically just run your keyword list. So what this will entail is, should be, if you go further down, you'll include your file path, your spreadsheet where this information is found. And then you'll also have to have, if I open up the document, it needs to have the header name of keyword with your list of keywords in the file. And then you'll run. And then it'll start opening up new browsers, and then it'll record if AI overview is found. One caveat I will make though is on this first run, it will typically time out. So you may just need to run through another cycle, or at the very least, it'll just skip over the first keyword as it loads. So everything else in the list will be fine just for that, except for that one keyword in the list. And it gives some ample time to capture this information in a way to evaluate to make sure if it's taking longer to load in the search results, it's not just skipping over. And you can see as comments in the terminal, it'll show the keywords being processed. So if I go into AI overview and look at the results, that's actually not the right spreadsheet. You can then see the AI overview being reflected or found and denoted. So like I said earlier, there was that result for what is a business CD here. And so if I go to run this again, it'll populate. And so it'll give you the correct, at least for that initial keyword, that first keyword, the correct result. But anyway, wanted to walk through this tool and offer it to anyone who may find it valuable, as again, we wait for other keyword research tools to release their own solutions and features regarding tracking for AI overview. But hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Hopefully you find the script to be helpful, and I will catch you later in the next video.